Meaning of hater.
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 Hater. The term hater is commonly used to describe someone who dislikes or criticizes something or someone, often for no apparent reason. Haters can be found in various contexts, including popular culture, social media, and personal relationships. They may express their negative opinions through verbal or written communication, or by engaging in behavior that is intended to hurt or undermine the object of their criticism. The term can sometimes be used as a way to dismiss valid criticism, but it can also be a useful way to identify and address toxic or abusive behavior.